Hello everyone, I'm Stanley Ochobi. I'm an ICT professional in Kenya. I'm here to talk about redefining one's career with a focus on becoming a data analyst. While I can't say I'm a data analyst, I do deal with a lot of data, drawing insights from this data that help companies make decisions. So it begs the question, who is the data analyst? This is someone who uses data to generate insights for an organization. More often than not, they provide information that enable companies to define things such as products to be offered, marketing strategies to adopt, or improvements to be made to processes and decisions and capacity. While this role has been around for a while, with just few people actually doing it, it has boomed in recent times. This boom has actually been brought about by the increasing amount of data we consume. Data is everywhere. If you think of what we use in our daily lives, our phones, computers, Fitbits, you realize that companies are collecting data on us and we are collecting data on ourselves. Before now, this data used to be gathered exclusively by individuals for analysis. Today, it is collected by both people and machines. Now, the machines do more and more gathering, so more and more people are needed to manage and make sense of all this data. Because of this, we are seeing the rise of the data analyst. Many studies and facts predict the role to be the job of the future. The World Economic Forum, in its 2018 report, projected by 2022, 85% of companies will have adopted big data and analytics technology. They went as far as predicting that 96% of companies were definitely planning or likely to plan to hire staff with relevant skills to fill the future data analytics related roles. As a result, the new role of data analyst is forecasted to be one of the most in-demand jobs by 2022. Bernard Ma, who was voted by LinkedIn as one of the top 5 business influencers in the world, in his Forbes article, picks data literacy as a compulsory skill for the future. So if you don't already have this important skill, how do you become one? Or, let me put it this way, how do you redefine yourself to be ready for this future? One thing is certain, with the growing amount of data and the need for companies to have a competitive advantage in the marketplace, the need for data analysts will continue to grow across industries, from retail, from tech, telecommunications, social sciences, everywhere in fact. So whatever you do, you have to acquire this skill to stay ahead of the game. To do this, you can decide you want to go back to school and add data science to whatever you're interested in. If you're currently working, you can try to get involved in data science projects, or if possible, create one yourself. You can also build skills from cheap online courses from e-learning platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, EDX, and the likes. In addition, you can get some free courses on Kaggle. I think the Kaggle courses might be amongst the best way to acquire the skill, as the course provides exercises that mimic a real data science project. You can go through other people's Kaggle workbooks and then move on to writing your own project. In addition, this platform has a great community where you can ask questions and then you can actually learn at your own pace. Whichever path you choose, the aim should be to work on projects and build the skill as you go. The world is changing, and we too have to change as well to be ready for this new future. And trust me, it's never too late to redefine yourself. This message is brought to you by Trans Solution Services, helping build future leaders.